Cow. This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows live in a barn. Duck. Here is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks live in ponds and lakes. Turkey. This is a turkey. Baby turkeys are called poults. Turkeys are raised on a farm. Chicken. This is a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens are kept in a coop on a farm. Goose. This is a goose. A baby goose is called a gosling. Geese live in ponds and lakes. Sheep. Here is a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep live in a sheep pen. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Rabbits live in burrows. Pig. This is a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pigs live in a pigsty. Donkey. This is a donkey. A baby donkey is called a foal. Donkeys live in a barn. Goat. Here is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats are kept in a pen. Cat. This is a cat. Baby cat is called a kitten. Cats live in homes and farms. Horse. This is a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses live in a stable. Dog. Here is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dogs live inside a kennel. Bee. Here is a bee. A baby bee is called larva. Bees live in a hive. Camel. This is a camel. A baby camel is called a calf. Camels live in the desert.